How you going, guys? Dave from All Brand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on this Jayco Swan beside me. As you can see, I've already removed the side cladding from this van. The van got brought into us from hail damage on the side. So far we've stripped the extrusion off the sides, stripped all the sheeting and all the fixtures. I'm just going ahead cleaning up the framework, and then I'll be reinstalling all the sheeting and all the fixtures back. So stay tuned for the rest of the video where I'm going to be fitting the side cladding to the side of this van and putting back all the fixtures.